The wait is officially over. Insta360 has broken the silence, kicked off their teaser campaign, and locked in a launch date for the brand new Insta360 X6. Forget the vague rumors. Marketing materials, retail leaks, and official confirmations are flooding in. But how does this generation shake up the market? And is it a mandatory upgrade over the X5? Let's break down the launch date, the hardware, the AI breakthroughs, and the price tag. Insta360 has officially confirmed that the X6 will make its global debut on August 12, 2026, under the tagline "Inspiration in Every Direction." Along with the announcement, a massive wave of promotional and lifestyle leaks surfaced, showing the camera strapped to handlebars, integrated with invisible selfie sticks, and ruggedized for extreme outdoor travel. Insta360 even launched an official pre-launch page with an X6 giveaway, signaling that their rollout strategy is moving at lightning speed. Under the hood, the hardware upgrade is substantial. Leaks point to a move toward 2 custom Sony sensors, marketed as 1-inch equivalent imaging areas, mirroring the approach seen across flagship competitors to pull in significantly more light and drastically improve low-light clarity. Video performance is also getting a nice bump, with reports pointing to 8K recording at up to 50 frames per second. Plus, power efficiency has improved, with early battery estimates pointing toward an impressive 140 minutes of continuous 8K recording to keep you out in the field longer. It's not just about raw resolution, though. The X6 is rumored to introduce hardware Dolby Vision alongside native 10-bit color recording, giving professional creators vastly superior dynamic range straight out of the camera. But the true star of the show might be the artificial intelligence pipeline. Rumors highlight a revamped triple-chip AI architecture designed to handle heavy processing directly on the device. Features like Panamind aim to automatically render your finished edits while the camera is simply sitting on the charger, meaning your video could be fully polished before you even pick it up. Add in smart utilities like automatic license plate blurring, and post-production time shrinks dramatically. With retail leaks pointing toward a standard starting price around €689, or roughly $670 depending on regional bundles, the X6 is positioning itself as a powerhouse tool for creators. With just days left until the August 12th event, the puzzle is almost complete. What feature are you most hyped for? The improved low-light Sony sensors, the AI-powered auto-rendering, or the battery bump? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that subscribe button for full launch coverage, and I'll see you in the next one.